We're here at the Gaylord Rockies Resort, and this is a place that I've been with my family probably 5 different times, but I'm always surprised at how many people who live in the Denver area have actually never been here. So we're gonna check it out, show you all of the places that are around the resort so you can see if it's for you and your family. Right across from the main entrance is an area that a lot of people might miss. They do sunrise yoga here at 7 in the morning, weather permitting, and it's just a nice place to sit, chill, and relax. And especially because there aren't a lot of convenience stores or gas stations that are around Gaylord Rockies, it's really nice and convenient to have something like the marketplace here. You can pick up snacks, drinks, and charge them all to your room if you want to. Super convenient to have this right inside the resort. And across from the marketplace, they have the Rockies Trading Post. This is a great place to pick up souvenirs for people, especially if you're coming from out of town. You can get something that feels a little Colorado and take it home with you. And right here, this is my friend Stanley the bear. He makes for a great photo op. Sometimes he moves around the resort. Right now he's outside the marketplace, but by the time you get here, he might be in a different area of the resort. You can take a seat right here on his hand and get a great picture to remind yourself that you are here at the Gaylord Rockies. One of the restaurants here is the Mountain Pass Sports Bar. It is home of the largest indoor TV anywhere in Colorado, at least we've heard that. It's a really family-friendly spot. They have crowd-pleasing food, and it's also open late if you're an adult and, you know, the kids go to bed. They also have a bunch of local beers on tap. There are actually a few beers that are made specifically for the resort. And one of the things that's really cool about this restaurant is if you head to the bottom floor, you can actually play on the Topgolf Swing Suite. You can reserve these suites and play a round of golf. You can also play hockey and other types of games that they have set up on these machines. You can reserve these online and play here by yourself or with your family. And even if you're not staying at the hotel, this is where you would come to do the DC Hall of Justice character dining. It's a special breakfast that you can do with your family, and then your kids get to have breakfast with some of their favorite superheroes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like to help more people learn about Gaylord Rockies. And if you're planning to stop by Denver, feel free to subscribe. I make a ton of videos about things to do and places to eat in the city. Now back to the video. And if you walk straight through from the main entrance, you'll end up at the Grand Lodge lawn. This is a big area out here where they do s'mores on the weekends for free. On the other days, you can just buy a s'mores kit if you want to roast up some of your own marshmallows out here. They also do live music from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and they have a cart back here, a bar for people who are 21 plus, of course. And there's another part of the resort that's actually available to anybody. So if you came here for happy hour, you could walk out here, play some games. They've got chess, checkers, bocce ball, and cornhole. Pretty much all of the games that everybody knows how to play, they're all back here. They got checkers over here, so if you're not a chess person, you can clear the board, just play a game of checkers with your friends. If you decide to check out the lazy river, and you should, there are 1-person and 2-person tubes. If it looks like there aren't any tubes available, just wait a minute and you'll probably see one floating down the river that you can pick up and use for yourself. On really hot summer days like we had all weekend here, the pool cabanas can and do sell out. So if you know you want to live that level of pool life, it's a good idea to reserve those early. And they have life jackets at the pool that are available to use for free, all the way down to toddler sizes. They're all good to use inside the indoor and outdoor water parks. You can use them on the water slides and even in the lazy river. If you're a sports-loving family, being able to play basketball outside with the backdrop of the Rocky Mountains is pretty awesome. It has been years since we've done a staycation like this, and both my wife and I agreed that the weekend here really felt like a vacation, even though we only live about 30 minutes away. We were here at the pool with our kids for at least 4 hours a day. They were sleeping about 2 hours late every day, and they were in full-on summer vacation mode, so I think that they embraced it too. This was just such a great place for outdoor fun in the summer. I could honestly see us coming back to do this every year in the summertime, especially while the kids are younger. If you or your family is into active outdoor fun, especially pool stuff, you're like, look at all these people in the lazy river, I don't see how you wouldn't have a great time here for at least a couple days over the summer. And this is the recently renovated Grand Lodge area. There's about 4 new restaurants that are here. If you haven't been here in a while, it probably looks very different from the Grand Lodge that you're used to. There used to be like a train car down here and more stuff that was in this bar area behind me. But now there's this huge bar area, a lot more seating, and in the restaurants, they got way bigger. There are new places that have like seasonal food. food, Colorado style food. It is a great place to grab a meal, whether you're staying in the resort or you're just coming here for the day and you're a local. Whether you're coming here for a convention or you're just checking it out for yourself or your family, one really important thing to note is that Gaylord Rockies is not in Denver. It's much closer to Denver International Airport. So if you want to stick by the airport, this is a really fancy, beautiful way to do it. A weird thing that I've always said to people is that the sky feels bigger in Colorado, and with these really big windows behind me, it feels like that. And when you look up, the ceiling could not be higher in here, and there's the sounds of water rushing. It feels like a Colorado resort, and that's exactly what it is. I did use the world-class spa here, which was amazing. The spa amenities include a steam room, a super zen relaxation room, a spotless locker room. Everything is really, really nice inside the spa. Just be smarter than I was and give yourself some time to actually use them. There's lots of areas to sit on the main floor area, couches and chairs where you can just plop down. Sometimes the fire is on, have a good conversation with people. Plenty of spots all around the resort where you can get comfortable. It's not hard to find a good spot. Especially for families traveling with younger kids, there's a model of the resort near the east elevators, and for some reason, your kids will want to see it over and over. Something that's really cool about being at Gaylord Rockies is they always have special events going on. So right now, this is summertime and they're doing this whole DC Comics thing. I've usually been here in the winter when they're doing more Christmas types of events, but there's always something going on that will make your visit a little bit different. And our kids had a great time at the resort regardless, but I really think that the DC summer events created some core memories for our kids. Like, they will never forget meeting Superman and Wonder Woman at breakfast and trying to find all the Riddler's clues around the resort. They had such a great time, and this made the experience that much better. If you're local in Colorado, like most of my subscribers are, you should absolutely get the local resident pass next time you're here. You get 4 hours of free parking, 10% off restaurant and bars, 10% off at the spa, and all you need is your Colorado ID. It's completely free. You can sign up at any host stand at any of the restaurants inside the resort. Super easy, and you can save every time you come. And right now we're actually inside the largest suite in the entire resort that regular people can book. It's got a huge king bed, a really nice bathroom with a private toilet area. There's also a pull-out couch inside the living room. You can definitely fit easily 4 people in here, 6 if you really like each other. There's also a space if you want to take food out from any of the restaurants. You can all eat together in your room up here, and there's a view out the window. If it wasn't hazy, you'd be able to see all the way to downtown Denver. And if you are about that sweet life, everything in here feels a little oversized and jumbo, super comfortable. The rooms are about 2 feet wider than what you're probably used to, and the bathroom is way bigger than what you're used to in any hotel bathroom, especially if you're coming from a bigger city like a New York or a San Francisco. And just in case you want to come back to the room and chill, watch some sports, the TVs in here are really big. The one in the living room in particular is probably about 75 inches. So if you and your family just want to get out of the hustle and bustle of all the events that are happening in the hotel, you can just come to your room, hang out, and you got a huge TV and a really comfortable couch to sit on. And this is what a standard room with 2 queens looks like. This room is also really comfortable. The furniture is really solid wood. Here you get to watch airplanes take off, the sun rises through your windows. And one part that's cool about this as a standard room is that the toilet and shower are actually separate from the rest of the bathroom. At a lot of hotels, when you're in the standard rooms, it's all one big room, but here you can get a little bit of privacy. So if you're staying with your family or you have other people in the room, people can be using the toilet or the shower on one side, and you could still be brushing your teeth on the other side. If you're traveling with a family of 4, I really think that the room with the king bed and twin bunk beds is the move. It's super spacious, really convenient, and there's plenty of space for all your stuff. Now let's walk around the resort at night and see how things are different from the daytime. So if you want to get a workout in, not crowded at all at night. There's plenty of equipment. Be surprised if you ever had to wait, especially for any of the cardio machines. And this is a Friday night, so there's a lot of people at the resort today. The gym's pretty quiet. One part that's really nice about the resort is that at nighttime, all of the lawn game areas are actually lit up pretty well. So there's lighting, they've got some fire pits and things. So if you want to play with your family even after the sun goes down, it's pretty easy to do. And it actually makes for a really nice setup if you're here with family or a group of friends, because there are so many fire pits that you can end up just finding one. There's always generally one open, and you can have your own very personal fire pit with the people that you actually know, and you don't have to share it. Especially after seeing those lawn games lit up. No surprise that the basketball courts and also the mini golf course are both lit up nicely at night. One area that's not as well lit up, kind of surprising, is the pickleball courts. People are still playing anyways. It's a little dark in there. There are some lights on, but it's not as bright as you might expect compared to some of the other areas, but people are still playing. And the good part is that the courts are set pretty far away from the resort, so people aren't hearing pickleball sounds all night. In case you've been to the really popular Gaylord Opryland like we have in Nashville, know that Gaylord Rockies is about half the size and it's very different. While that resort is all Nashville, this one gives you amazing views of the Rocky Mountains, a year-round water park, and a lot of fun for kids and parents. It's much easier to navigate, but it's not going to have that same "this place is a city in itself" vibe. But Gaylord Rockies does do it really big at Christmas. This is one of our favorite places in Colorado to visit during the holidays. If you know that a Gaylord Rockies trip is in your future, but you also want to explore Denver, I'm going to put some videos on the screen that will help you know where to go and what to eat while you're in the city. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you over on the next video. Now I can take a seat and relax since I'm walking around the entire resort.